Hey, this is Keith. Welcome to How to Build Your Own Home. I've got a special treat for you. We've finished the job. I've done a lot of videos on this. This is an 1865 Pioneer home, fully restored to its better and best self. This is the Robert Gardner home. It was built in 1865. There's not many buildings out west that are that old. So I'm very, very thankful to the family, especially the great-grandchildren of Robert Gardner, for entrusting me to restore this home. Go ahead and walk through the home. You'll see a lot of the preservation we were able to preserve and save, letting the old home leak through as much as we possibly can. See the home in transition, some before and after, and welcome to the tour.
Follow me to my favorite tree. Well, I'm offering a steady hand. I could be your sister.